1.
Create 3D mesh. Cass, pick something. Export all the textures. Export the mesh. Now, locate the bare version of the section you're working on. Export it.
2.
In Blender, on the adult file, join all the studio mesh files. Edit mode. Delete what you don't need. Save it.
3.
Open the bare file. Append the adult file. Object. Select the mesh it's on. Move the mesh to fit. Delete what you don't need from the bare mesh. Click the adult top. Shift-click the kid mesh. Join them. Save it. Back in Sims 4 Studio, import on every LOD. Import all textures. Customize it. Test it. Simple.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.